Hi, I'm Steve Staples, State Superintendent of Public Instruction for the Commonwealth of Virginia. Over the last few years, we've tried to encourage our schools to use innovative practices to improve outcomes for students. It's received great enthusiasm from our schools, but sometimes they get overwhelmed at the magnitude of some of the innovative ideas they have. They think about changing the entire schedule to support personalized learning, or revamping the entire assessment system to move towards performance-based assessments. What we're telling folks is you don't have to start big. So we've begun to share small innovative practices that can in fact lead to larger ones, and I'd like to share one with you this morning. One of our middle school principals handed out these small Post-it notes to students all around the middle school. His hope was that he could move towards giving students choice and voice in some of the topics that they learned. He passed out the Post-it notes with a simple directive. Write down something you'd like to learn, and as you come by my office window, stick it on the office window. After about a week, he had literally hundreds of Post-it notes on the outside of his window. So he gathered them up and began to read through them. He was really surprised at what he found. Students wrote down things like how to change a tire, how to ballroom dance, how to tie a bow tie, and literally hundreds of suggestions about things they'd like to learn. So he sat down with the faculty and began to ask, who knows how to teach these things? Who can tie a bow tie? Who knows how to change a car tire? And then about once every 2 or 3 weeks, he adjusts the schedule for a 30-minute block where kids get to attend one of the sessions that they suggested. It's a minor change and it only happens once in a while, but the enthusiasm it's generated among the students is unbelievable. The principal said it's led to conversations about relevance in what they're teaching, how to engage kids in learning in a deeper way, and how to respond to the needs that kids have for things that are important to learn in their lives. It's a small innovation. It was a minor thing. It didn't take a lot of work, but it's an example of how one innovative practice can begin to open up ideas that substantively change our schools. So if you're interested, try a small Post-it pad and ask students, what would you like to learn? I think you'll be surprised. Thanks.